Opacity. For added convenience, we've added an intuitive toggle to easily turn opacity on or off. Opacity is great for articles or images that are meant to encourage us to navigate to the linked pages or sections. When you hover the mouse over an object, it should be fully visible. Let's set the correct opacity for this element. I click on the element and in the settings on the right, I go to Style. Then I go to the Opacity section and I use the slider to set the opacity percentage. Now, in the preview, we can see that everything works properly and the elements encourage interaction. Thanks for today. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more blog and tutorial content. I'd like to remind you about the 30% discount code for your first website made in WebWave. Thank you. See you next time.